What's good, Car Life Nation? Back at it again with another video. So I got everything put back together, fixed. I fixed the little code that, what was it, P2004. I fixed that. That was the flat rotation thing. Staying stuck open. Now I still got the cylinder 4 misfire. So if you, cause I learned the hard way, but if you get still after switching the fuel injector, the spark plug and coil pack, if you still have the P2004, no, it's P0304 misfire code for the Audi A4 B7. After fixing all that, then your head gasket didn't lay down properly, or your head gasket went bad, and that's what's causing a misfire in the cylinder. I learned the hard way after replacing it all. Took a couple of times, but learn from your mistakes. But if this helps anybody, that's the cause, is your head gasket is blowing if you still got a misfire. Peace out. You guys enjoy your day.